Create a bunch of beautiful fabric flowers, no sewing required. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you how to make the cute crate as well. For this project you will need fabric scraps, a paintbrush, Mod Podge or a solution of half white glue, half water, pencil, paper, scissors, fingernail clippers, and a yellow and green pipe cleaner. Draw and cut out a pattern of your flower. It doesn't need to be perfect. Nature is not perfect. Take 2 fabric scraps and place them with the right sides out, one on top of the other. Trace around your pattern. Hold the pieces of cloth together and cut out the pattern. Separate the pieces and put the wrong sides facing up. Coat both pieces on the wrong sides with a thin layer of Mod Podge. You want to do both pieces of fabric because we want it to stiffen up nicely. Now press the 2 pieces back together, carefully matching the edges, and smooth everything out. Cut a small hole, just a little notch in the middle of your flower. Now place the fabric flower inside an egg cup or a small plastic dish like I've got here to create a curve as it dries. Once it's dry, it will still be flexible, so you can bend the petals up a little bit if you need to. Now take a yellow pipe cleaner and make a really tight coil, one layer right next to the other until the center is as big as you'd like it to be. Once it's the right size, bend down the tail of the pipe cleaner so that it goes straight down and cut it off about 1/2 inch from the coil and stick that tail down through the notch that you cut in the fabric. Now take a green pipe cleaner, make a little loop at the end, press it up tight against the base of the flower around the little tail of the center, and wrap it around and around several times until everything is secure. Now bend up the tail end of the pipe cleaner and twist it around to form a stem. You could also make a little leaf if you would like, but I'm just going to make mine with straight stems. And you're finished. Stay tuned for instructions on how to make the cute crate to hold your flowers. I found a small wooden crate at the dollar store and I'm just gluing some wood beads to the bottom of it to elevate it just a little bit. So I will glue those on, let those dry, and then paint the entire thing with 2 layers of sort of a creamy white acrylic paint. After the paint was completely dry, I cut a piece of fabric to fit on the middle slat of the crate and then used a thin layer of Mod Podge to stick it down, and then I Mod Podged the entire crate to seal it. To finish it off, I glued some twine above and below the fabric strip. I added a bow in the middle for an extra detail. After I clipped the ends of the twine, I just put a little bit of glue between my fingers and put it on the ends of the twine so that it won't unravel. The perfect container for your fabric flowers. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas.